Sahyog College of Management Studies. Today I am going to make chicken keema. So we need for that is some onions, some tomatoes, a crushed green chili paste, but not so thin paste, and some and some spices, and green peas. Green peas are optional. Now we are sauteing some curry leaves, onion, tomato and some ground spices too. Now we are going to add this chili paste. If you don't want so much spicy, you can add a little bit chili paste. Now saute all these things all together till it gets golden brown. I'm going to add some masala. I have turmeric powder, red chili Kashmiri red chili powder, a homemade masala, garam masala, mutton masala. Add this keema to the sauteed onion, tomato and the paste. And mix it gently. Our keema is almost ready now. Just one step, we need to add a green peas. Green peas are optional. And stir it steadily. The keema is ready.